Oh, it's Julie Bird, and we are live on the field. Oh,
On the field.
On the field. On the field. On the field. My shadow's on the field. Do you know who's played on this?
It is.
The greatest of grades I played. The goat has played on this field. He actually touched this blade of grass I'm standing on.
Maybe he has.
And maybe he has.
Maybe he has.
Don't doubt us. Come on, just believe. Believe, Nicole, Natalie, believe. Anyways, all right, signing out. Julie Bird. Hi, this is Julie Bird. And I'm live from Julie Bird vlog. If you're ever wondering why I decided to vlog, it's for stuff like this. It's not about him today, it's about his sisters. Just finished up seeing my girls get scholar awards for doing well in school through Pop Warner. Makes me proud. And now we're waiting to go on our tour. The tour of Gillette Stadium, behind the scenes of the Patriots and all that good stuff. And while we're waiting, Craig is not so patient. This is boring and wants to get home to play more Fortnite because his life revolves around Fortnite. A day in the life of Julie Bird. Signing out. Tweet, tweet. Julie Bird Wilson, live at Splitsville, Patriots Place. And this is my little boy who tells me to stop.
That's all that I did. Honestly. You didn't get any on there. Spicier than Dijon mustard. There it is.